So this is the sink drain stopper. It's a bathroom sink stopper. And this is really great because, you know, sometimes you have an old sink like I have here, and the sink had the top pop off of it. So what I was able to do was just loosen the valve in the back, remove this fairly easily, and then you just drop this right down in there. And what's great is it just sits in the existing hole there, and then you have a perfect little drain here. So here it is in action. Functions like a normal sink here. As soon as I pop that down, it fills up nicely. So great little device. The stopper also comes with 2 different size O-rings. These are for different sized sink drains. Super easy install, very effective, and it looks a lot nicer. And you know, the other nice thing is that it just looks better than the other stopper. So I highly recommend it.